Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Noxgear Tracer2 lighting running vest and also their tracer lamp, which goes right on the front. Let's get this unboxed. Stay tuned. Okay, as I said earlier, this is a lighting running vest. You can use this to run in the city at night or on the trails. It has 16 color modes, 1/4 mile visibility, designated for IP67 rating, lightweight, 360-degree illumination, and USB-C rechargeable, which is fantastic. Gotta say, don't like any products with micro USB anymore. So USB-C is the way to go. So as we're getting the device unboxed, the packaging is stellar, looks really good, the coloring's great. Gotta say, the people over at Noxgear, great job with this device. You kind of know when things are going to be good when the packaging's good. We also got USB-C cable included, which is great. So now we're just going to pull the device out. And it gets caught on these little things here. Just be careful and pull them out nice and gently. Alright, so the unit itself is really lightweight. As you know, runners don't want anything bogging them down, and I'm no different. If anything's too heavy, I won't use it. So it's very lightweight, and the color looks really good. And this is with my light on, and you can see how bright it is. In a minute, I'll dim the lights down just a little bit so you can see that it gets even brighter. The color modes are great. Nice feel to it. The straps here feel really good, high quality. USB-C charging, like I said. And so with the lights dimmed down a little bit, we can see how bright it is. So people will be able to see you from quite a ways away with that light. And then you have also the lamp that I'll be putting on in a minute for the extra dark areas, like the nighttime trails that I run. So this is the Noxgear Tracer lamp. I'm glad they incorporated this in. I do need this. And it has just a buckle that buckles right to the front of the strap, so you can detach it and then attach it, no problem. This unit is also USB-C charging, which is great. And the unit itself feels really good. Got our charging port there underneath the rubber strap. That's perfect. Belt buckle there to strap on. And then you just have one easy, simple power button, so you don't have to fiddle with a multitude of buttons. You just turn it on, turn it off. You can actually dim it down 1, 2, and then power the unit off. Feels very good to the touch. Very good engineering. To charge, like I said before, it's just USB-C charging. So just plug right in, wait for it to hit all 5 lights, and you're good to go. Alright, and to put the unit on, you just flip it over like so. Fasten your little buckle there. Adjust the straps on the side. Make sure it's nice and fitted so nothing bounces around. And then use these little adjustment straps here to tighten the straps that are over your shoulder. You want those pretty tight. And then bring down this other adjusting strap. Just bring it down there so that the back is nice and snug as well. Great fit, very lightweight. When I ran with it earlier, after a while you can barely even feel that it's on you. It's that light. Okay, so this is the tracer lamp going on. Buckles right in like so, same thing. Very bright light, as you'll see in a minute. So, enough of me talking, let's hit the trails and see how this does.
Okay, we're here at the observatory. We're going to be testing out the new light. It's not dark yet, but we'll be pretty soon. It's a 9-mile hike, so we're going to be heading out in a little bit. We'll get this thing strapped up to the vest and see how it does when it's out. Okay, start of the hike, got it over. Can probably bring that up a little bit and then just tighten it with the lever there. Make sure the sticks on pretty tight. I actually forgot the front light that left that in my car, but it's fine. This should give me enough of a glow tonight. And then we can see, maybe you can see on the back there, we are all good. So you can see the sun already set. So in a couple miles, we'll turn it on when it gets real dark. And we'll see how this light vest does. I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a lot of night hikes soon. I don't want this to work, so we will see. Stay tuned. Okay, sun is almost fully down. Let's just do a quick power on to see what it looks like. Awesome. Yes, not bad. You got the wavy. Now it's not dark yet, but let's just get a coat of glow running with it. See if it fumbles around. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going nowhere. All right, let's wait for it to get full dark and I'll do another update. Whew, ton of run, almost done. Vest held up quite well. All right, we got day 2. We got the light vest on, and we actually got the light and the little clip on the back that I had missing yesterday. So this should be a nice run just like it was yesterday, but with some added light. So let's do a night hike and see how it does. We are bushwhacking with the vest on, lighting up this entire mountain as I almost slip. Look at that. Fantastic lighting. Okay, it's pretty pitch dark out here, and look how bright that light is. This thing. Let's see if we can run with it. Absolutely amazing. Here we go. Probably can't see me too well, but lights are doing great. This is what I needed yesterday. Just that little front light for the pitch dark stuff. Got the back covered with the lights, shoulders covered, front light. Absolutely amazing like this. I will be using this on every single night hike that I do. Promise you that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It's been a long one. This vest is amazing. And if you guys want one, you know where to get it. We'll see you on the trails. Happy runs.